Good morning and Merry Christmas. I can tell you one thing, I never get my camera and just start talking to it as soon as I wake up, but that's what we're doing today. I'm taking you through my entire Christmas day with my family, with PJ's family. We are also traveling to Florida, and I also got only 1 hour of sleep right now because we didn't pack anything yet, so I was up all night doing laundry and packing. But PJ is going to be driving for the first half, so I'm going to be sleeping. So now I'm going to get them up, get Dixie up, and we're going to open gifts right now. And then we need to get ready and be at my mom's house within like an hour and 45 minutes. Merry Christmas, Dixie. She's like, I have no idea what's happening. Hey y'all, okay, so it's the end of the trip, it's future me, but today is New Year's Eve and we are actually leaving tomorrow morning around 5 or 6 a.m. to head home and get Dixie. I miss her so much, but I've been playing a new app and they reached out to me and I was like, absolutely yes, I will 100% work with you guys because I love the gaming apps. I think they're so much fun, especially when you're traveling and you have nothing to do in the car while someone else is driving. You can play on your phone. We also went to Disney earlier this week, and in the 2-hour waits of these rides that you have to wait in, but while waiting in the lines, I was able to play Caesar slots and it was so much fun. It made the time go by so much faster. Today we did absolutely nothing, so it was really nice to get dressed up. I did my makeup, I did my hair. Also, it's obviously New Year's Eve, so I typically try to get a little bit more dressy on New Year's Eve. And playing the game, I felt a little bit more fancy and glamorous and luxurious. But here in a little bit after we eat dinner, I'm gonna go lay out by the pool and play the game and just relax in the hot tub because I think that's gonna be so much fun. And the whole month of January, which by the way is their 10-year anniversary, they're giving away a bunch of different prizes. And the game is free, by the way, if I didn't tell you that already. The game is free, so go ahead and download it. I'm gonna leave everything down below in my description box. It's so much fun. Thank you again, Caesar Slots, for sponsoring today's video. We're running really behind. So we're gonna go to my mom's and then his mom's and come back for all of our stuff, so it's fine.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Huh? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mom. Merry Christmas, Bubby. Merry Christmas, Gills. Merry Christmas, Bella. What?
Ooh, that hot bacon is cooking.
Others said.
Oh my gosh, you listened to me?
What is it?
A spa towel.
A spa towel.
What? I was freaking listening. You might not think I'm listening, but I'm listening. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. It took me
Another joint present. Yeah. This is gonna be a joint present because I'm gonna wear it and then she's gonna wear it. That's nice.
That's really nice.
This is trash.
That's what you wear, right? Yeah, that's what you have. Oh, yay. I'm gonna love these shoes.
Yeah. That's for Mommy. Look. Thank you.
I know.
I brought one of those too. It's in my bag. For what? I don't know.
We are going to his mama. Okay, so we're back home, so we just opened presents off camera, but we need to finish packing so we can get out of here.
I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go now? Nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay.
Okay, so we are all packed up. I can't believe how much stuff we have. These 2 beds are for Dixie, so those won't be in here. But for 8 days, 10 days, I have no idea how long, but we have a lot, like literally my entire car is packed. So I'm just waiting for PJ. That way we can drive to my mom's house and then we're both gonna take off. I need to set up the camera at her house. That way we can watch the dogs while we're gone. And they have like friends and stuff coming multiple times in the day. That way the dogs don't pee anywhere and they're good to go and fed obviously and played with. So that's where we're headed next. All right, girls. We'll see you in a week, okay? Yeah. I'll be back. Good morning. So last night, well, I ended up driving and it was pretty dark, so I couldn't vlog anything, obviously. And then we had Waffle House for the first time. That was your first time, right?
I've had Waffle House before.
Oh, okay. Well, it was my first time. And it was really good. I loved it. So now we are headed to Cracker Barrel for breakfast. And then we have probably like a 3.5 hour drive.
Yep.
To Orlando. And then we're gonna meet my family. So, okay, just kidding. It's a 45-minute wait. We're here!
Oh, we are?
Thank God.
What?
Okay, things are getting super hectic, super fast. So this is the bedroom we chose out of 15. And there's my man.
It's me.
And then going in here, there is a bathroom, the shower, toilet, sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack really fast, put all the snacks and stuff here on this dresser.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade.
Okay, so this is what I have so far over here. I have waters, some sodas, and then I brought our Yeti cups from home for our coffee, and we'll just rewash these every single day. Found these at Target, I'm really excited about that. Then we have cookies, Rice Krispie treat, chocolate. We have some Kind bars, Belvitas, which are awesome. Takis, chips, popcorn, some more chips, goldfish. These are amazing.
I'm with you. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all
Up here I have our sweatshirts, swimsuits, PJ shorts, PJ's workout shirts, night shirts, and shorts, jeans, shorts, and then underwear and stuff down there.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when.
Alright, one last tour of everything. So I put our shoes right here, all of PJ's workout stuff, our snacks, all of our clothes, hello. And then this is going to be PJ's side. He took a nap on my side. And then I turn this chair around, that way I can do some editing and stuff while I'm here. And then I have our bags for our laptops, and in here is all of our bathroom stuff. So this is my side. I have to drink those. But we did have to bring our own washcloths. I brought those. And then my makeup stuff, all of our hair stuff, deodorant. We have a little basket for PJ. And then I did bring our Christmas soaps because we need to use those since Christmas was yesterday. And then I have my purses right here, PJ's workout bag, dirty laundry, a basket. We did bring extra toilet paper, paper towels, trash bags, laundry, soap, and everything like that. I put our suitcases in there and then hung up all the shirts. Alright, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comments, leave them down below, and if you watched it to the very end of this video, put some little palm trees down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.